Nightingale.
I have the name all picked out. If it's a girl, we shall call her Nightingale.
And if it's a boy, we shall call him Nightingale.
Clever indeed.
Or is it more like... It's never the same song twice. A troublesome bird.
The Emperor of all Cathay will now address the court.
My dear subjects, not only is all well in our vast and glorious empire, but our dear little Nightingale has made us more content than ever.
Your Imperial Majesty, a gift from the Emperor of Japan.
Must be some new books about our famous bird. Let's open it.
Place the lid on the box.
What a treasure, Your Grace.
This is the only one of its kind.
Rubies.
Oh, that's too.
Clockwork mechanical bird, Your Imperial Majesty.
Music master, why don't you wind it up?
Musically speaking, this new bird keeps perfect time, not like...
From now on, you two should be known as the Chief Imperial Nightingale Bringers.
Now, both birds might sing at once, a duet, as it were.
That's a good idea. Ready yourself, little bird?
And 1 and 2 and 3 and... It's not the new bird's fault, Your Grace. She sings like clockwork, while that one sings whatever she pleases.
That new one is so much prettier to look at.
You know, I think those are sapphires. Such a delicate shade of blue. But we must be fair. Let us hear our old bird once again.
It's flown away.
Oh.
Bless my soul, what's the meaning of this?
And without even a thank you, what manners. Ungrateful creature.
We still have the better one, Your Imperial Majesty.
My thoughts precisely. That bird was so ordinary.
If I may say so, ladies and gentlemen, and above all, Your Imperial Majesty, with the real Nightingale, there was no telling what song she might sing, but with the artificial bird, one song will be heard and no other.
Frankly, Your Imperial Majesty, I never trusted that other bird when she said your tears were reward enough. She was just trying to flatter you. But I saw through it.
declare that from this time forth, the old Nightingale will be banished from my porcelain palace forever.
The Emperor commands you to sing the song of the Nightingale.
Well, Your Highness,
Just do it.
Very good. Now, sing me the song of the real Nightingale.
well, forgive me, Your Honor, but I can't. It was always different and impossible to imitate.
I shall give you the title of Imperial Mimic of the Clockwork Bird.
Zingpei.
Doctor, get the doctor.
Get the doctor at once!
Rosebud tea. 11 cups of it.
Not me, you fool, the bird.
Your Imperial Grace, I can't be of use here. Perhaps I should summon the watchmaker.
Could it be that I bagged the wrong bird?